You know how banks make tons of money every month when people spend? Well, take a look at this. This company lets you make money every month just like they do. I now get paid every time people spend money on anything, anywhere in the world. How would you like to get paid every time people spend money? That's exactly what banks do. Banks are cashing in, making billions and billions of dollars every month as people spend cash, write checks, and use their bank cards.
Imagine this, getting paid as hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of people spend money on the things that they already buy every day. As a member of Currency's marketing arm, you can now get paid every time other people spend money on anything, anywhere in the world.
So, how do you make money? It's simple. Just like the banks, you make money whenever people spend. On what kind of spending? Any kind. Gas, groceries, clothing, travel, tuition, even your mortgage, car payment, utilities, anything at all. If they buy it, it's money spent and you get paid each and every month.
Understand, you don't have to change where or how people spend their money in order to get paid. They can either use the Currency bank card or simply report their spending through the Currency online tracking system, and you get paid every month as they spend. The fact is, people will continue to use bank cards and people will continue to spend money. The real question is, do you want to make money when that happens, or just continue to let the banks make all the money? It's your choice.
Here's how it works. First, you enroll as a Currency member and get your bank card. That way you can start receiving commissions directly onto your card each month. Second, all you have to do to automatically get paid each month is to report your monthly spending one time into the Currency system. Third, and I'm sure you've heard this phrase before, work smarter, not harder.
So how do you do that? Well, you don't have to go out and tell the whole world about this, though I'll admit that it is tempting for me. Here's what you do, and it's so simple. It's called the one-step system. Your one step is to find two people who would also like to get paid when others spend. With Currency, this has been made so easy that literally almost anyone can do this, regardless of education, background, talent, or motivation.
This is what your Currency business card will look like. When you give it away, tell them to turn the card over to see how it works. On the back of the card is a number and a website that will bring them here. Then we will do the explaining for you.
Imagine no selling, no meetings, no rejection, no pressure. It's automated. You show, we tell. Does it really work? Well, you're here watching, aren't you?
After you've completed your one step of finding two people, they will then repeat what you've done. This will complete their one step. You'll be amazed at how fast this can grow. As an affiliate, you receive commissions on 10 generations. That's huge. Here's why. Starting on the second level with just 4 people, as each team member completes their one step, your group grows to 8, then 16, 32, 64, and then 128, and by the 10th generation, it has grown to a total of 4,092 people. And that's if you only found 2. Imagine if you repeated this one step.
How fast can you complete your one step? We've had people do it in their first day. As your organization grows, imagine how your lifestyle would change if you could receive even a few pennies every time people spend money each month. Wake Up Now makes their program even more exciting by giving back not just pennies, but dollars on each and every person's purchases, as they make house payments, car payments, and buy gas, groceries, and more each and every month.
Now, for less than $80 per month and a nominal 1.37% monthly service fee, you can become an affiliate member. You can make money every time people spend on anything, anywhere in the world. Do the math. Better yet, we'll do it for you. Here's how it works. As you can see, the number of people increases dramatically by the 10th generation, and so does the money you can earn each month. By the 10th generation, the payout can put you in the top 1% of incomes in the country.
Whether the economy is good or bad, consumers will continue to spend money on their basic needs, and you earn money every time they do. That's what makes the Wake Up Now Currency program so powerful. When the economy goes bad and people lose jobs, this can be a great way to generate a monthly income. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can start earning money. If you don't share this program with your friends and family, someone else probably will. Begin your one step by enrolling now.